7 new things to try that will add excitement to your life. Every year on January 1, millions of people around the globe are using a special word that is big in meaning, small in size, and severely underappreciated. The word is new. We say Happy New Year, and we declare our new goals for the year. But somewhere along the lines, new gets lost in translation. When you're ready to embark on a quest to find the new, here are some things to try. 1. Blogging. Writing may not be your X factor, but everyone has a story to tell. In your spare time, try out a blog to document what's going on in your life. You can make it specific to your interests or your career. Or you could keep it wide open for whatever thoughts dance through your mind. 2. Cooking. Cooking gets a bad rap for being time-consuming, messy, and demanding. We may not all be a whiz in the kitchen, but every once in a while, it's fun to create a big meal for yourself or your friends and family. 3. Dance lessons. It's always a good idea to get your body moving when you can, and it's an even better idea to move your body to music. When you're itching to do something new, try out a new form of dance. It's creative and active at the same time. Win-win. 4. Gardening. The best part of having your own garden is eating the food. Pair that with your cooking endeavor, and you're set. The only caveat with gardening is that you have to have enough space for one. But if you do, it's well worth it to start growing your own fruits, veggies, and herbs. 5. Hiking. Depending on where you live, mountains may be fully accessible to you. If that's the case, you should take advantage of it by going on hikes regularly. It gets your blood pumping and gives you all kinds of beautiful sights to see. 6. Learn a new language. Spare time should never become wasted time. You know that language you were always dying to learn? Seize this extra time as the perfect opportunity to start practicing. You'll be a linguist before you know it. 7. Meditation. At first glance, meditation may seem like the opposite of exciting. It's calm, soothing, and super quiet. But that doesn't mean it can't be exciting, too. Meditation is an art and a historically backed practice. Try it out for 5 minutes a day and see how you like it.